What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. As many of you may know, we recently attended the Medtrade Expo in Dallas, Texas. We were freezing. We're from Florida, and it was snowing, but we were there to document all of the new products that are coming out soon by some of the major manufacturers. Specifically in this video, we're going to talk about the Cricut HD by Golden Technologies that's coming out soon. Now keep in mind, we have many other videos of all the new technology that's coming out onto the market. It's pretty amazing stuff, guys. Tons of new products coming out soon, and we have videos for all of them. So if you want to learn more about them, visit our YouTube channel and navigate our latest videos. You're going to see a ton of awesome stuff. Another way to learn about our new products is to claim a copy of our free product catalog. We can mail one to you. It has discount codes and a ton of information about our company. To claim a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you by phone, or just click on the top right hand corner of the screen where it says get free catalog. Keep in mind, we're not just an online business. We have local stores. Come by, test drive our products. We'd love to earn your business. All right, so for those of you who don't know about the Cricut is a carbon fiber folding power wheelchair that's super lightweight, and that's what everybody wants. Everybody wants a lightweight chair that's easy to transport, so they're starting to make them with carbon fiber. And what I love about the Cricut is how lightweight it is and how durable it is. Not to mention, it also has a really nice mesh back seat that's super breathable, allows airflow, especially if you live in a hot state. That's going to be beneficial. Now, the one thing the Cricut can't do is support heavier set people. Everybody wants a high weight capacity, lightweight folding chair, and Golden is finally coming out with one. The Cricut HD is rumored to support up to 400 pounds. I was able to carry it, and I can guesstimate it's going to be around 40 to 45 pounds. Now, from what we could see, it's going to have a much bigger footplate than the original Cricut. It's also going to have a much wider seat, and it looks like the depth is going to be greater. Same carbon fiber frame, but it is going to have some nice yellow decals on the rims, which I like. It's going to also have a new joystick controller, which looks like it might have some new features, possibly a Bluetooth remote control. It's also going to have a depth adjustable joystick, and you can transfer the joystick from the left side to the right side armrest. The armrests also are going to flip up, which is nice when you're transferring in and out of the chair. It does look like the cushion is removable. It's going to have nicer motors, a nice controller, really nice electronics, and that red lever there is to release the chair so you can fold it. I really like the look and the concept of this chair. I'm super excited to learn more about it. Let us know what you think about it in the comments. If you have any questions, we will reply to your comments within 1 business day. Now, before we let you go, I want to make sure that you're aware that part of every sale goes towards our community donation program. So by shopping with Mobility Direct, you're not only going to get the best prices, tax-free sales, free shipping, and the best customer support, you're also contributing towards a great cause. We give away mobility scooters to people in need that can't afford them all the time. A lot of the times they're homeless or just struggling to get around with a cane or an old walker, a manual wheelchair, and we change their lives by gifting them a mobility device. So if you want to be part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know that needs a mobility product to shop with Mobility Direct. If you have a Facebook page, share this video on your Facebook to spread the word. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you subscribe and leave a comment, you too could be the next lucky winner of our giveaway. We give away mobility products at random to people that subscribe and comment. So you're already here. It's free to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, and you could be the next lucky winner, like some of the last few winners you're seeing on the screen now. Thanks so much for watching our video, everybody. Until next time, have a great day.
Look at that smile.